First, we will marinate the chicken. To marinate, we will take yogurt 250 gram for 1 kg chicken. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder. One and a half teaspoon turmeric powder. One and a half teaspoon cumin powder. One and a half teaspoon biryani masala. Half tablespoon salt. Now mix it. Then add ginger garlic paste, squeeze 1 lemon, and mix it. Check the saltiness. If the salt is needed, then add or just leave. I need little bit of salt. Now add chicken pieces and give a good massage. After then, put it to a freezer for at least 2 hours. Overnight should be good. In the second step, we will fry the onion. Add some oil. When the oil is hot, add onion slice. And stir this. Add some salt. It will prevent burning. Saute this until it turns golden brown. You can see color is changing. It's turning brown. Keep stirring. Now just take it off and put it aside. In the third step, we will boil the rice. Add some water. Little bit of salt. 1 tablespoon oil. Add cinnamons, add cloves, add green cardamoms, jowitri, jaipol, shahi jeera, white pepper, bay leaves. It will give good aroma and allow the water for simmer for 5 minutes. Now add soaked rice. I soaked it before for 30 minutes. See this? At the same time, boil eggs. When the rice is 25% cooked, just turn off the flame. Now drain the waters. Egg is almost done. Just turn off the flame. Now add pinch of saffron on warm milk. This is fourth step. Add marinated chicken in a heavy bottom vessel. Add ghee. Add rest of the oil which I used for onion fry. Add half portion of onion fry. And mix it together. Now layer the rice on the top of marinated chicken. Spread evenly. Now add saffron milk. Add few drops of keora water. Add rest of the onion fry. Sprinkle some salt. Now place the eggs. And cover the rim with foil paper. You can use cloth paper or dough to seal the rim. Now just place the lid. This is final step. Place a old tawa on the stove and heat this for 5 minutes. Now put the vessel on tawa and cook it for 45 minutes on low flame. Okay, it's done now. Let's check the biryani. Slowly uncover it. Aroma is nice. I can smell it. wonderful aroma is coming from this pot. Wow, it's so beautiful.
So how is this? This is very simple to make. You can also make this at your home. Just follow the steps and you will definitely make this happen. What new recipe you want to know, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely make this on my another episode. And please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button that you will get notification when I upload my new videos. And also please like this video and share with your friends. That's all for today. I'm signing off. I'll come in the next episode with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. Take care.